Hey guys, it's Roscoe, and on the Space Couch today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this. A Qantas 747-400. Again, I picked this up from the air show back whenever it was. So let's just see what it says on the back. That's just the same details as it was on the British Airways one. So let's just pop it out. Oh, this one's got, or maybe the other one did too. I didn't pull this part out on the other one. So I've got a card there about 747-400 Qantas. Let's just pop that and just have a read of it. And there's the plane there. There's a little pic of it. And there's some text on the back, which I'll read if I can. It's very small. Boeing 747-400 Qantas, CS90283. Instantly recognised by passengers around the world, the Boeing 747 Jumbo is the world's only 400-seat airplane. In service since 1989, the 747-400 is currently the only model in production and is a proven performer, with a major technological improvements over earlier versions. Yes, indeed. It's not the only well, it's no longer in production. Who knows how long it will be in production at all. The 8-passenger series, I can't see any more of them being made. And the 8 freighter, who knows. Certainly a lot of capacity in the cargo market at the moment. So there it is. Let's just bring it out. Better paint job than on the BA one, even though you can see it has missed the edge a little. You just see on the back. And isn't there like a gold strip along the edge of the Qantas? Oh, there used to be, maybe since they updated it to that version of the Kangaroo, maybe not. So again, that huge cargo door. It's a little bit lower, I think. Just a little bit lower than on the BA one. But yeah, Qantas. Never flown Qantas, always wanted to. Always got the impression of a very friendly airline, and obviously Australia is such an amazing, warm, friendly place, and the people are mostly like that too. Yeah, there's a good angle of it. Definitely going to go back to Australia at some point when all of this is over. Silver wings. What's the BA one? The BA one, also silver wings. Didn't notice that. Like the Emirates A380. But yeah, very, very nice. I do like the Qantas livery. I liked the orange stripe old 70s one as well. Worked very well on the 747s and on the SP and that stuff. I would have loved to have seen the 767 in that livery, but they updated it to the first version of this one. Yeah, so very, very nice. That's a little bit off on the cockpit. Not massively off, but just a little. But again, they were a fiver. It's not like these are, was it the Gemini ones, which are very highly detailed. There's a great video on Sam Chewie's channel the other day about their collection. Definitely worth checking out. Got so many amazing things. But there you go, guys. That is just my Qantas 747-400 that I acquired back in the air show at some point in the past. Who knows when it was now. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment suggestion for a common topic you'd like to see discussed. Or like the video.